Hey guys, it's Missy. I'm going to teach you guys how to edit the presentation template for your um, assignment for week 2. So, Missy opened up the template. As you see here, it's this picture of a wild animal here. You're going to go ahead and click it. You're going to go here. Okay, see how it highlighted the box? And then you're going to go upload. And then you're going to click it on it. And then it's going to ask you from where do you want to upload it from. Then you're going to pick a location. So I did mine under downloads. For example, Missy's going to pick it, and then it's going to go paste it right there. So same thing for click it twice, and highlight like, and it's going to let you type in what you need to type in, okay? So if you want to edit different slides, you just go over here to the side, and you click each box you want to edit. So, and then you double click, and then I'll let you fix what you want to fix on there. Once you're all done, you want to go right here where it says File, Download, this first option right here, and then you're gonna click it once you're done with everything, guys, okay? Then it's gonna ask, and it's gonna download right here, okay, guys? That is how you edit your PowerPoint. Can't wait to see everyone's work.